Bitcoin did local breakout. What was the reason behind that and how we can trade it? Remember, friends, in a previous video that I shared with you 19th of April, I shared with you that price globally in the middle of a range, and in the case of rotation, we should trade fake outs, but in the case breakout of value area, there would be a continue of a rise. That's a reason, by the way, why you should follow me on Telegram to be updated. Link will be in description. It is free for you. Pay attention what price did. Price exactly reached this value area high, and after that started squeezing up and did this local breakout. And I shared this stuff yesterday at 12:25. I shared this plan and I explained to our people based on ORDI trade that we took a few days before why I think that there could be some local breakout. Breakout happened. Let's analyze what will be with Bitcoin and also other top coins. Before, let me explain to you a few words about breakout that we took on ORDI, and after that I will show you my top plans as I shared it here. First, example for you, breakout on ORDI, how it played out, and main reason why breakout on ORDI played out so well, because of this beautiful range. Price did fake out. Beautiful range and increase in open interest. That's example for you how market maker build and move price, and after that already hit 51. When I saw this stuff, of course what I did, I shared a signal with our community. Example for you here. When I see really beautiful plays, when we have a lot of time to take a trade, pay attention here. I shared this signal with all updates, updates to close, updates to move into break even, and in the end it is such profit. Quite a lot of people made money with me, and you can see that every time when we share a signal, I share something like this. When open interest increase in a range with volume increase, that's the best signal for breakout. That's nearly what happened yesterday on BTC. That's why at this moment what I think globally about BTC. Remember, in many previous videos I told you that BTC, after such a drop of open interest, the most important question, it is rotation nearly value area. Bitcoin, if you pay attention to all of this stuff, Bitcoin have value area, this local value area, and at this moment if price fix above this value area high, local value area high, there could be a big chance to reach value area high of this all entire range. Pay attention. And that's approximately 70-72 area. That's why at this moment on what I pay attention, in the case of some local ranging here, I would consider taking entry for continue, especially if there would be some slowly rise of open interest. That would be the best confirmation. Before I share with you my additional plans on BTC, let's analyze other top coins that at this moment I have on a list that I would like to share with you. Now, as I promised in previous videos, that I would like to show you coins that we potentially can trade. First, it is BNB. At this moment, we have significant rise of open interest from 400 to 464. That's quite a lot. And especially if there would be some hit of this higher high, there could be beautiful entry for fake out. That's why above 631, I would look for short if there would be impulse with big volume spike. Example for you of that pattern. First example will be on BLZ. It was exactly a beautiful breakout. What price did massive pump with volume spike. Difference between volume here and here nearly 1 to 7, 1 to 8. And you can see how price exactly after this massive volume spike, what they did, beautiful pullback. Only such volume spike can be a good signal for fake out. Or another example like this one, they moved with a rise of open interest and also impulse with big volume spike. Only in that case we will consider taking a trade for short. The next one, it is a tier. In the previous video I shared with you that volume increased on tier, and something interesting is happening. Tier from this case zone bounced, and you can see at this moment tier did by 30% rise. That's beautiful. And what at this moment would be really good, any significant stop loss hand at this moment would be additionally good opportunity to take long with target this 1287 or 1548. Ton, at this moment, this coin, Ton, we should pay really serious attention about Ton, because at this moment, pay attention, on Ton, massive increase in open interest by 29% on Binance, and on Bybit, all other Bybit and Binance together, open interest increased by 7 million contracts. That's a lot, nearly 40%. At this moment, honestly, for me, it's difficult to tell you in what directions I would be in move. That's why at this moment, I wait for clear breakout pattern, because pay attention, at this moment, coin is in the middle of this value area, in the middle of this first deviation. What I wait, I simply wait for clear squeezing into first deviation. Price starts squeezing, breakout first deviation with additional rise of open interest. That would be for me a signal of breakout. And if breakout happens for rise, if that would be break up, minimum what would be a target, it is one of these targets. If that would be breakdown, I think this key level for 99.5 would be really easy to take, because if it is trap bias, price will go against them to liquidate them, as it happened, for example, for you like this on EPT. Here, big rise of open interest. You think it is into bottom, you could think, my god, maybe that open interest is for maybe this open interest is for rise after such significant drop, but not. What price did additionally after that? Price did massive additional drop. That's why sometimes it could be trap bias, trap says. And at this moment, I wait for additional confirmation, because sometimes it's super easy to tell, to give a signal, like on ORDI, when I shared a signal with community, I was super confident, because ORDI, what was the reason why I was super confident and gave a signal? There was several preconditions. Let me show to you. You just need to understand the difference when you take a trade. First, ORDI did this massive drop with big liquidation. Price did beautiful additional stop loss hunt here. And price started squeezing. And we had a lot of space and a lot of where short sellers hide their stop losses. That's why for me it was easy to understand that chances for rise huge. But here on Ton, coin were pumping. That means this trend can resume. But also there are a lot of key levels where trap buyers hide their stop losses and price easily can go and take them. That's why at this moment I don't try to predict, I just wait for clear direction, and when this clear direction appears to me, I will give a signal to our community. And that's the reason why you definitely need to join if you're considering join our community. And also a few words about Ethereum and Solana. Ethereum at this moment, same as BTC, broke this value area, local value area. And at this moment, if price close above this value area, there could be some breakout. But at this moment, for me, it's too late to take any long, because honestly, I would be way happier to see some big stop loss hunt into value area low, and only after that consider. Like at this moment, we have value area low here. If that would be drop into value area low, to consider some long entry, because after such rise, it's a little bit too late, plus open interest didn't increase. For short, I look for one of the key levels. It is first key area. If there would be some big volume spike, there could be a place for short, or here, my friends, or only here. ORDI, as we traded here, breakout played out really well. At this moment on ORDI, I would wait for some bigger stop loss hunt, and after that maybe a retest of POC to take long. On EPT, also we have at this moment this value area. If there would be value area low test, taking for example this levels here, I would take for long. About short, only if price would reach this 12th area, because it is exactly a place when this rapid drop started, and only here I would start considering some shorts. And let's come back to our beautiful BTC. As I told you about BTC, price rotate around value, and at this moment the most important question, this breakout is real or not. At this moment, I don't have any short signal because there was no super big stop loss hunt, volume spike, etc. That's the reason why at this moment I expect if price continue ranging, that would be a good signal for potential rise to test even this value area high around 70-72 area. About short, friends, I know that there could be some stop loss hunt because there are a lot of levels that could be taken. For example, let me show to you all of them. At this moment, a lot of people here that hide their stop losses could be taken. And honestly, I would be really happy to see this because here I would look for long. Global short would be way better to consider in this area. Here would be better to consider some serious short. That's why at this moment, push like and trade and patterns that we used on ORDI. I prepared for you this lesson about breakout strategy for you to understand how to use it. And watch it, enjoy, have a good time.